So I'm in my StarCraft AR-1 18FB, and the sink is just ridiculously small. You can't even wash a frying pan without the water splashing all over the place. I know that you need to conserve water if you have no hookups, but I haven't gone anywhere yet that doesn't have hookups. So this is bugging the crap out of me. So my solution is a better sink. There we go. There's our better sink. So there they are next to each other. This guy's, I think, 9 inches deep, and it's about the same, depth. Of course, it'll be a little longer. Not even going to move the faucet. So let's see what we get when we take it apart.
Than 5 inches to deal, in the bottom, and that's more than enough room. So I'm just going to go over a little bit.
So is it going to be centered or pretty darn close, or we don't care? I don't really care.
Oh, do you want it centered? Because we could do that. It's up to you.
Well, I mean, aesthetically speaking, if it can be centered, why not? It's just going to look a little more professional.
Then sure. I think.
But I thought we didn't have a choice in that case. I wasn't going to press moving the faucets at all.
Yeah, I do believe we can center it. Because let's see, that would be centered.
All right, cool.
That is.
What's the status?
Rather than use their template, which has a lot of slop in it, like an extra ½ inch all around, I'm going to do this to minimize the opening as much as possible, to maximize the amount of lip to counter.
Sure.
In order to use the lip and some epoxy or what have you to glue it down.
Yeah.
Because the old sink had bolts that were attached to the sink underside. Right.
So we'll just use silicone, like sealant, and just do lip.
Sure.
Yeah. Plus, the more lip, the better the weight distribution of the water on the sink. So, cool.
So rather than have it off to the side, decided to center it. There's 5 inches before a bracket down below causes issues. This is 3½ inches. Should be fine. You want to do that?
Aren't you glad? No. Aren't you glad that wasn't running?
Yes. Well, I mean, I would have not dropped it because you have to kind of hold it. Anyway, so we're going to do some. We're going to cut it out, see if it fits. Might have to increase it a little bit because tight tolerances. But
all right, let's go.
I'd rather trim it than make it too big. So.
Progress. And there it is. You could wash a baby in this thing. Woohoo! And just taking a look at the plumbing. Pretty basic conversion. Nothing hard.